simplify this 2 by 2 matrix multiplied to this 2 by 3 matrix. Now, in order to make sure you can do this, you have to make sure that you can do this. Where did I get 2 by 2 from? There's 2 rows, this guy and that guy, and 2 columns up and down. This guy has 2 rows, left, right, and 1, 2, 3 columns up and down. In order for you to be able to do it, you have to have the number of columns of the first matrix and the number of rows in the second matrix be the same exact number, and they are. The resultant matrix is going to end up being the outside numbers, a 2 by 3 matrix. So we are able to do this, and this is what we do. Split the first matrix up by rows and the second matrix up by columns. Okay, now I will show all of my work for this one. I'm not going to guarantee that I'm going to show all of my work for every single matrix problem that I do, but I am for this one. So we are going to end up with a 2-row matrix, right? 3-column matrix. Now what you do is you multiply elements of the corresponding row-column combination. In other words, this first guy, I'm going to end up with a 2 by 3. So I'm looking at row 1, column 1. Up here, I'm going to look at row 1, column 1. Each row and each column have 2 elements in it. So I'm going to multiply the first element in each one, then plus multiply the second element in each one. So 3 times 2 plus negative 3 times 6. First row, second column, first row, second column. 3 times 6 plus negative 3 times negative 5. 3 times 6 plus negative 3 times negative 5. First row, last column, first row, last column. First element, 3 times 1 plus negative 3 times 4. Okay, now we're done with the first row. We repeat the process with the second row. Okay, second row, first column, second row, first column. First element is 6 and 2, so 6 times 2 plus, I don't know why I have double parentheses there, 3 times 6. It's my daughter screaming in the background. Hopefully you didn't hear that. Maybe you did. Otherwise, you're going to think I'm crazy. Probably too late for that, though. Second row, second column, 6 times 6 plus 3 times negative 5. And then you have 6 times 1 plus 3 times 4. Okay, now it's just a matter of you doing some math and tons of it. So, see if I have enough space. 6 plus negative, so minus 18. Okay, so let me continue with the dashes. Let me continue with the dashes until I'm completely done. 18 plus 15. 18, 15. 3 minus 12. 12 plus 18, 36 minus 15, 6 plus 12. Now to complete this sucker, 6 minus 18 is negative 12. 18 plus 15 is 33. 3 minus 12 is negative 9. 12 plus 18 is 30. 36 minus 15 is 21. And 6 plus 12 is 18. And that, boys and girls, is how you multiply a 2 by 2 to a 2 by 3. Fun!